let's get a check on what's playing out with the markets now. We're still seeing a green picture there for the total, for the crypto market. That's according to Coin 360. I would see, yeah, my director telling me the land is green. Yes, it is really green. Bitcoin, $99,332, up 2.51%. So we're seeing XRP having a monster rally at this point, breaking back above $3. I feel like that was the last high, XRP, got to about that level, about $3. Let's look at some headlines now in the market. We see Upbit crypto exchange, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea, has reportedly received a suspension notice for alleged Know Your Customer violations. KYC, Financial Intelligence Unit of South Korea's Financial Services Commission, notified Upbit of possible punitive measures related to the alleged KYC violations. Now, we also see Federal Tax Authority of the United Arab Emirates issued a clarification regarding VAT for those dealing in cryptocurrency mining. As part of the clarification, individuals who are crypto mining for themselves will not incur VAT tax. However, if they're mining for others, offering it as a service, they will need to pay VAT. And that's the UAE VAT tax rate, about 5%. Then we see the U.S. government filed a court submission to return stolen funds from the 2016 Bitfinex hack to the exchange as a restitution in kind. The assets include approximately 94,000 Bitcoins and unspecified amounts of Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. That's BSV. Let's bring in Olumide Additional now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide.
Hello, Ladi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Olumide. So from a very red weekend into Monday, we're seeing the market pick up with Bitcoin there, trying to challenge $100,000 again. But it looks like the big shiner right now is XRP.
Yeah, it has been a tremendous week. Looking at the price action, at some point we thought that Bitcoin was retracing back below the 89,000 support line. However, appetite for risk resumed. The CPI data really brought in so much glamour. But just like you mentioned, the third most valuable crypto asset, XRP, has been on fire. It broke above the $3 mark and settled around, as we speak, between 2.9 and the 3.10 range line. That really tells you that investors are really priced the fact that Ripple's XRP, a token usually known for remittance and has strong affiliation with global banks, particularly Japanese banks. Investors are pricing that the ecosystem will benefit from a Trump presidency. You recall that Ripple spent millions of dollars, in the previous election that brought in Donald Trump. And also, we're having a crypto-friendly Congress. So investors are excited. But, Ladi, if you look at the price as we speak, it seems that the 100,000 is looking more like a resistance rather than a support, because at two occasions, we saw Bitcoin breaking above, but the bulls do not have the energy to maintain that line. But Solana, XRP, major altcoins, I think they're on fire. Ethereum, as usual, has been a disappointer. We've seen that Ethereum really lacks that luxury to break above the 3,500 support line that has now turned to resistance. It's really very unfortunate for a token that has ETF exposure. Investors really have a lot to talk about.
Right, and talking about XRP, the last time XRP hit a high above $3, that was $3.84, January 4th, 2018. That was 7 years ago, and it looks like it wants to revisit that level, again. Do you see that as resistance?
I think it's more of the odds are more in XRP favor. The fact that it also Ripple, the ecosystem now has a stable coin and is becoming the fastest growing stable coin just behind Circle USDT. It tells you that the ecosystem is becoming systemic. However, they still have an upskill battle, despite the fact that Gary Gensler is departing few days' time, a lot of pundits are saying that we still have anti-crypto Antonies in the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, and that's why we saw the morning brief yesterday when the commission tagged XRP as a security. If Ripple loses that lawsuit, definitely the $2 support will turn to resistance, and that's why a lot of bookmakers are really watching that case closely, Ladi.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really possible, but the odds are still out there, you know.
Right, and you definitely, we know the way FOMO, we know how the fear of missing out, we know how that impacts most new investors, you know, in this market.
Yeah.
Some will think, okay, this is the time to jump on XRP, you know, at this price. How are you seeing the risk reward here?
I think the upside is not as much as what a lot of points, because the Trump presidency will definitely shake the market. We're seeing the market be shaken from different reports about U.S. tariffs to record debts and the China's contraction in terms of deflation in that second most powerful economy. To be honest with you, I don't see XRP doing a $5-6. So I think investors should take profits and allow their wins to run.
All right, we'll definitely watch out. And we know, you know, XRP and XLM, that's Stellar Lumens, they have that relationship. They've had it for the past 7 years or more, and it seems like that relationship remains.
Yeah, because you look at the architecture behind the remittance-based token, it's similar, the tip. But I think one of Ripple's advantage is that it has institutional relationship. There's hardly any top bank that doesn't have an affiliation with XRP. There was a time UBA and Ripple had something going on before the CBN ban. So we hope to see the XRP ledger in our banking system. However, you know, XLM is really showing attraction among retail, and the price still looks attractive compared to Ripple. So yeah, I think it's an option, but you can't take the shine away from Ripple.
Yeah, the shine stays with Ripple at this time. Thank you so much, Olumide Adesina, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thank you for having me, Ladi.